So we see the floor plan pan. I keep saying plan. So the floor pan. Basically, what I'm doing is you see the old coating, which again I'm going to presume is POR 15 or POR 15. I did the passenger side. You could see it came up way easier on the passenger side. But this is basically, it's just a super tedious job. You know, the passenger side was a lot easier. So what I want to grab this piece. So I kind of knew that there was a spot here that was patched. You could see it from the undercarriage. And it's around this section that they have these little circles. And somebody, went, put tape, put more POR 15. There was an amplifier sitting here loose under the driver's side. So really, just a shoddy patch job. Unfortunately, it goes to about here. I was kind of hoping that it would just be the square. So what I'm going to do is basically cut this out, this square out. Probably have to go up to this ridge here and then just get a scrap piece. If I could find another floor pan that I could cut. I'm just going to cut this square and then I'm going to tack weld. I don't have a MIG or a TIG. I know, again, people watching that know what they're doing probably going to tell me not a good idea. Everything I read is heat related and how this stuff warps under heat. So tack welding, and again, I'll have a video of it. It's just doing spot and moving around the patch to avoid one area getting too much heat and burnt up. So you see how much debris. And again, I'm not going too crazy. Like the other side was coming up a lot easier, which either means whatever the prep work, I'm not sure, maybe there was more moisture, you know what I'm saying, on that side. So over time it started to come up. But this stuff, as you can see, it needs sort of a little bit of force, and it's just, so you could see, it's super tedious work. I could appreciate these guys that do this professionally. They probably have a tool that is, vibrating or moving, like almost like an automatic chisel or like a small handheld jackhammer to sort of move this stuff along. I take every now and again when I get into a spot I can't get it to go, very light, try to keep everything on an angle, because again, I'm not looking to create damage to the pan. But again, it's going to take time. So if you're trying to do this in a hurry, probably do it on a day where you got a lot of time. All right, so that's about it. I'll tune back in when we're doing some more prep work. I'm going to grind this, get it to the clean base, clean this, not just enough to have it clean. I'll probably take a degreaser. I'll probably take a simple green, wipe everything down, but just a light sanding. I don't want to damage or remove too much sheet metal, just very, very lightly. I think it also helps. There's the POR 15 has like a multi-process, which if you do it, a degreaser, there's some sort of other metal prep, it really has the stuff adhere to it pretty well. So as I'm going along the process, I'll
Thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check out some of our other videos in this ongoing 9/11/83 Super Carrera project. Thanks for stopping by.